We're back over at the Pomeran project. It's been a while since we've given you guys an update. We've been working with the city, got everything finalized finally, so wanted to give you a quick little update on where we're at. So today they're working on the siding that's gonna go over here. We got a really nice synthetic material. It's gonna be a really cool accent. We got our windows in. This is a new window kind of going into the butler's pantry there. Got our roof on, got the siding. Let's go inside. We're about to order our front door. This is gonna be sweet. This is gonna be a real nice front door, kind of mid-century modern that we got coming. So if you pop in here, you can see all of our rough-in stuff. So we're about to start calling for inspections. We got our plumbing roughed in here for our island. We've got our new window installed. So we got 3 windows here. This will be all cabinets all the way around. And then this is really neat. Come around over here, check this out. This is our butler's pantry. This is an idea that Lauren and I came up with. This is gonna be a nice stained glass with this window with that natural light coming through. Be awesome built-in shelves all through here, cabinets, and then a nice countertop here. So a lot of storage. The other thing we did since last time is we got our big sliding door in. Obviously our fireplace is out. And if you come out here, you can see the patio. We got real tall ceilings here. Turned out awesome. This is gonna be a really great space. And its house is facing west, so out here in the evening time is gonna be great. Over here, we reframed the roof, make sure this thing was all legit. It had a flat roof in between these 2 houses, so we carried that through and actually got central air into this back room, so that's gonna be a really nice space now with central air with the existing unit. Coming in here, the other thing we did is, this is a change. We took in some of the garage. Originally, the utility room was right here, and the washer and dryer was right there. This was like a workshop area, so we blew this out, and now this is where our washer and dryer is gonna go. And I got a half bath, so that's gonna be nice right here off the main, and then we'll have some nice built-ins right here for storage and everything else. In the back, there's not a whole lot of changes since the last time, I would say. We've been working on just rough in on the plumbing and different things. So we got our tub in, we got our valve roughed in, got our plumbing, electrical's almost all done in here. We got to drop in some can lights. Come back over here. This room's not a whole lot of change. Let's go this way. Not a whole, just, can lights. Then in here, we started our drain work. So got our dual vanities. This will be our shower. We're getting the drain over here in the middle. This will be a nice glass enclosure. Oh, we got our window in, so we got some more light. These houses, that's the main thing. They all struggle with light. But we got our windows in. We went with black. I think that's really going to look nice with the contrast of the colors, especially on the outside. So this is where we're at. We'll be calling for inspections all this week, next week. So we'll probably be in that phase for the next couple of weeks. Hopefully we get them cleared, and then we can start covering everything back up, and then it's off to the races on getting it finished. And then obviously we got to get our final inspection. So we're probably 60 days out, which would be perfect timing for the election. That'll be fun. But this is going to be a great house we're really excited about, and I'll keep you guys posted.